हेलो एंड वेलकम टू स्मार्ट एजुकेशन। मैं रिंकल चुनेजा आपका स्वागत करती हूँ इस नई तरीके की एजुकेशन में। ये है स्मार्ट मैथ्स का 8th सेशन। इससे पहले हमने देखा था फैक्टर्स एंड मल्टीपल्स, जिसमें हमने HCF एंड LCM के टॉपिक को इंट्रोड्यूस किया था। अगर आपने वीडियो नहीं देखी है, then the link is in the description, please go and watch it. आज हम करेंगे HCF and LCM in more details. Let's start with HCF. HCF stands for highest common factor. हमने ये बताया था that there are three ways to find the HCF of two numbers. The three ways are common factor method, prime factorization method, and division method. Today we'll understand all the three methods together. First, common factor method. So let's do a question. Let's find the HCF of 12 and 18. Now, it's common factor method. That means first we need to find the factors of the two numbers, then their common factors, and then their HCF. So first step is to find their factors. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. If you don't remember how we used to find the factors, please watch the previous video. So you can see over here, 1 is a common factor, 2 is a common factor, 3 is a common factor, and 6 is a common factor. So we have common factors as 1, 2, 3, and 6. Now HCF stands for highest common factor. So highest of all is 6. So we can say that the HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. I hope this is clear. Next method is prime factorization method. So let's do the same question to find the HCF of 12 and 18 using prime factorization method. Prime factorization means finding the factors of the number which are only the prime numbers. Okay, so let's find out. Now 12, the smallest prime number is 2. So let's divide 12 by 2. When we divide 12 by 2, we get the answer as 6. Now 6 can again get divided by 2. So we divide this by 2. We get the answer as 3. Now 3 can be divided only by 3. So we write down 3 and we get 1. Once we get 1 as the answer, we'll stop. So we'll write down the prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. Now let's do the same for number 18. 18 can also be get divided by 2. So we write on 2. We get the answer as 9. Now 9 can be divided by 3. So we write on 3. When we divide 9 by 3, we get the answer as 3 again. And this 3 can be divided only by 3. So we divide this again by 3 and we get the answer as 1. So the prime factorization of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. Now can you see there is a common 2 over here and there is a common 3 over here. So when we write down the HCF, we'll write down it as 2 into 3, which is 6. So we multiply 1, 2 from here, from this group, and 1, 3 from this group, and we get the answer as 6. The third method to find HCF is the division method. Let's do the same question to find the HCF of 12 and 18 using division method. Here we'll divide the bigger number by the smaller number. So we will divide 18 by 12. Now we know 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, which will be a bigger number. So we'll use 12 ones are 12. So we'll write on 1 and 12 and we subtract and we get the answer as 6. Now we'll divide this 12 with 6. Okay. Now we'll divide 12 by 6. Now we know 6 twos is 12. So we write on 2 over here and 12 over here and we get the remainder as 0. That means the number which gives us remainder as 0 is the HCF for this, for the given two numbers. So we can say that the HCF is 6. I hope these methods are clear. So let's move forward. Next we have LCM. LCM stands for least common multiple. Again, there are three methods to find the LCM of two numbers: common multiple method, prime factorization method, and division method. We'll do these three again. as we did for HCF. The first is common multiple method. So let's find the LCM of 12 and 18 again. Here we'll first find the multiples of 12 and 18. Multiples of 12 are so, and multiples of 18 are so. If you don't remember how to find the multiples, please visit our previous video. Now here, can you observe that which are the common multiples? 36 and 36, right? Then the next is 72 and 72. Any other? Yes, 108 and 108. So the common multiples are 36, 72 and 108. Out of these, 36 is the least number. So we can say that the LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. Second method is prime factorization method. So let's find the LCM of 12 and 18 again. As we did in the HCF case, we'll first find the LCM of 12 and 18. So for 12, it can be divided by 2. So when we divide this, we get the answer as 6. 6 can again be divided by 2. We get the answer as 3. And 3 can be divided by 3. So we get the answer as 1. So prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. Now let's do that same for 18. 18 can be divided by 2. We get the answer as 9. 9 can be divided by 3. We get the answer as 3. And 3 can be divided by 3 and we get the answer as 1. So prime factorization of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. So here 2 is forming a pair and 3 is also forming a pair. When we find the LCM, we multiply 1, 2 from this pair, 1, 3 from this pair and the leftover numbers as well. So we get the LCM as 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. The LCM is 36. The third method is division method. So let's find the LCM of 12 and 18 again. Now this division method is not the same what we did in HCF. This is actually finding the prime factorization of both the numbers together. So let's find out. It's 12, 18. So we'll find prime factorization of the numbers together. Now both the numbers can be divided by 2, so we write on 2 over here. When we divide 12 by 2, we get the answer as 6, and when we divide 18 by 2, we get the answer as 9. Now 6 can be divided by 2, so we write on 2 here again. When 6 is divided by 2, we get the answer as 3, but since 9 cannot be divided by 2, so we write 9 as it is. Now these two numbers can be divided only by 3, so we write on 3. 3 divided by 3 will give us 1 and 9 divided by 3 will give us 3. Now again this will be divided by 3. So we get 1 and 3 divided by 3 will also give us 1. So we can say that the LCM of 12 and 18 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which is again 36. I hope these three methods of finding HCF and LCM are clear. Let's look at an interesting fact now. We'll now see a relationship between the HCF and LCM. The relationship says that A into B is equal to HCF into LCM, where A and B are actually the numbers. Like in this case, we have the numbers as 12 and 18. So here A is 12 and B is 18. We just found out that their HCF is 6 and their LCM is 36. So this relationship says that A into B, that means the product of the numbers, which is 12 into 18, is equal to the product of their HCF and LCM, which will again be 216, as we can see over here. So we can say that the product of the numbers is equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. I hope this is clear. If there's any doubt, you can ask us in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more such educational videos. Thank you. Take care. Bye.